All right. Okay. So anyone, uh, okay, great. Yes, Karan, any query? Let's start, guys. That's fine. Okay, that's great. All right, let me share the screen and please confirm, are you able to see the screen? Please confirm, are you able to see the screen? Yes, guys. Okay, that's great. Okay. All right. Let's start, guys. So the today's session is all about agents to agents protocol using UV and Python. So as you guys, good evening, Sangamesh. So agentic AI is upcoming trending skill. So let's continue this wonderful workshop and very advanced one. So in this workshop, I try to deep dive of what is agents, how it works, how to connect with MCP, and how exactly this terms comes up and what exactly these things do. We're gonna understand everything's in depth. All right. And just final confirmations from everyone. I hope I'm clear and louder. Yeah. So let's get in. All right. So let's continue. Okay. So the first thing, my introductions. So as it is workshop, I will give my LinkedIn ID so you can catch me on LinkedIn for any further query. So this is all about introductions. I think because most of the workshops have been taken. So you can connect me in LinkedIn for any further queries. All right, guys. Any students has any query, or any learners has any query, so I will talk to you. I will talk to you at later of the class, later of the sessions, guys. Pretty clear? Later of the class. Who is audience? Who are the audience can listen, or audience can listen the class? Freshers, experience, corporate professionals, leaders, and everyone who wants to get into the IT market and agentic AI era. So everyone can able to understand this, guys. But yes, I'm sure for freshers, if you stuck somewhere, please reach out to me. We'll talk later about this, guys. All right, guys. I can see your comments. I can see everything is alive. So we're gonna do everything in depth about this, guys. All right, team. So we talk about second part, my introductions. I just want you to connect to the LinkedIn for any further, because if my existing students, that's fine. And if any new guys who never been introduced me before, so I just post the professionals account in the chat window. You can catch me on LinkedIn. Okay. So you can catch me all my experiences and all those things you can find out here. Good. So the second part, we talk about audience. Who are the audience can join this uh, workshops? It's going to be everything: freshers, experience, corporate. So audience who are attend who are eligible to attend this. Okay. So the the time duration is going to be 2 hours. Time durations, it's going to be 2 hours. Okay. And the first 30 minutes, I'll talk about I will introduce what is LLM, what is MCP, what is agentic AI, what is agents, and then what is A2A. So these little theory part will work, and then we talk about the fourth one is hands-on practical. We're gonna work, guys. Understand everyone? Okay, so the workshop is going on offline and online both. So, and after practicals, and then we'll try to go for any query and Q&A sessions. Q&A sessions. So any freshers in this workshop, anyone who joined freshers, non-Naresh IT students, non-Naresh IT students. Okay, that's great. And yeah, okay, Lahari, that's fine. So you can attend these workshops and you can catch me for any further questions. All right, guys, let's begin. Okay. So the name of the workshop, Agents to Agents, A2A protocols created by Google. Okay, this is protocol created by Google. Okay. And first we understood LLMs, very simple in layman terms. I want to talk about, for example, think of LLMs like brain. So everyone has a brain. So brain understand human like languages. If a person speak in English, the brain understand its English language. If a person speak in local language, the brain understand local language. Understood, guys? So assume you think LLMs are like brains, and where in real time GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, this all comes under LLM category. Clear? This all comes under LLM categories. Understand? So our brain trains on massive text data, isn't it? So the same way GPT-4 trained on massive text data, Claude, Gemini, Mistral, everything trained on massive text data. Our brain also trained on massive text data from schools, from colleges, from books, from internet, from articles, from everything. So the based on once the brain is trained so that the brain can answer any questions asked by anyone. So if I ask you, tell me a joke, so brain immediately responds to your questions. Are you clear? Understood? Offline team, online team, how exactly means LLMs? Great. Next one. The next one, agentic AI. So what is relationship between agentic AI and LLMs? So this agentic AI, now imagine we have a brain, guys. Now brain can understand text data, correct? Assume I give a task to the brain. I give a task to the brain. Now imagine giving that brain goals, tools, memory. It becomes an agent that can act on its own. For example, agentic AI is equals to LLM's brain. Brain has memory, brain has tool and autonomy. So the agentic AI can connect to the memory, reasoning, tools, everything. So for example, you know what is LLM, guys? A simple layman, for example, it's a brain. That's a LLM. Now I'll tell you one example. Can you plan a weekend trip and book a tickets? So if I tell you that, can you plan a weekend trip and book the tickets? What you do? Your brain thinks, right? What exactly brain thinks? Brain thinks that to which websites I will go and book the tickets and how to plan a trip. So agent book and tools and multiple tasks you do it. Your agents will think what is prices, which flight price comparison, check calendar. Did you understand? So how the examples of agentic AI, that means an agent can books, compare price and checks calendar. What it does, it not just answer but acts intelligently over time. Are you clear? What is difference between LLMs? What is meant by agents? Online team, just give a friendly response. Yes, everybody is clear. I mean, just from a freshers or non-tech or whoever you are. What's difference between LLM? What's difference between by agents? So that means LLMs is a brain, and agentic AI, we just give assigned task, and then the brain has memory reasoning tools. Okay, this part. So we talk about the third one, little understood, LLM. Okay, and second one, agents. All right, guys. What next? MCP. MCP, if you, I'll share you one link today. Last week, I just scheduled one fantastic 2 hours workshop on MCP. So I just want you to share this video link to you. Just complete that. It's superb sessions, guys. Model context protocol. What is model context protocol? For example, so understood, LLM is brain and agents is the brain can interact with the tools like memory, okay, and some memory to activate to work some certain task. For example, I said, can you book the tickets for, okay, plan trip? Okay. Understand, guys? This is all agents. So agents again divide into two part, multi-agents and single agents. Single agents and multi-agents. So I done previous lot of workshop on it. I will share you all the links today. I will share all the link. So I request you to watch them. Then this things would be clear. This things would be clear. Are you guys getting my point? I will share all the agentic play series so you can watch. What is MCP? Okay, let's talk about MCP. In MCP, okay, so just understood here. So one moment, I'll talk about little MCP and then one second. Okay, escape it and all right. So do you see this, guys? Because it is a session on A2A, but still we little look at MCP. For example, see this architecture. I want to show this architecture. So this is the Claude IDE. MCP client means you will install a Entropic desktop, Claude desktop in your machines. In your which machine? Local machine. You install the MCP client in your local machines. Understand, guys? And once you install the local machines, this is your local file. Local file means system. This is your local file. By connect the server, you can access the file, the system file, and edit the system file. Anything you can do with the protocol. So what I'm going to do, I will share the link, and it's 2 hour sessions I conducted. Watch it, and trust me, you will like a lot, guys. Understand? For example, okay, I want to give you, just let's go to here, chat GPT. It's a, can you provide YouTube? I will share Pratik. So which link? This video you talk about? This video talk about? Yes. Okay. So I'm going to share this video link. It's going on live. So you can copy that and you can let me share in the chat window. Let me share in the chat window. Okay, Pratik, you can take it down. Take it down. All right. Yeah. Just minimize and just minimize. Okay, so what is talk about MCP? What is MCP? MCP means the agent, it is an open source framework developed by Entropic. MCP has created by Entropic. Improve how large language models like Claude, ChatGPT interact with tools, data, memory, users. So when you say M refers for models, M refers for models, C refers for context, from current slide. Model, it referred to any AI model you're using, Claude, ChatGPT. C for context, the useful informations the model needs, like documents, charts, or user preference to give better answers. Protocol, what is protocol? A set of rules. It tells AI how to use this context and interact with apps, tools, and workflow. Understand, guys? For example, I create a new file in your desktop. You create a new file in desktop and you will tell large language model ChatGPT, can you take my file and edit the file? ChatGPT can't do that, isn't it? So who can do that? MCP can done this, guys. Are you understood? MCP can done this. So MCP can interact with local server. MCP can interact with the remote server. So MCP, I already take the sessions. I will share you the link. So please watch it, and I hope you understand as well. So MCP also completed. So that's why, guys, are you clear? Online team, just everyone, offline guys, understood? Okay, so today, what are the topic we discuss? Let's write it down. In this case, my introductions, we covered audience, who are the audience, and what is LLM, what is agents, and what is MCP. So MCP client can interact with, okay, local server and remote server using help of LLMs to perform or edit some file, guys, to perform the files. Pretty clear? So this is what MCP does. So this is what architecture. So I already had the session. I will share the link. After the class. I would request you to watch it, and then MCP also understood. Okay. So what are the agentic AI framework? What are the agentic AI framework? Anyone? What are the agentic AI framework? Okay. So today I want to show you the list of the agentic AI frameworks. For example, just one second. Google ADK. Yeah. Uh, no, those things. Okay. So AI agents frameworks. So AI agent framework is a platform or set of tools that helps developers build autonomous AI system called agents. N8N, AirTop, UAgent, UFO, Super AGI, AI Explain, Gwenflow, and there are a lot of small agents, MGX, and Phi data, like we already done this, Pydentic AI, Quanta Logic, and this is all. There's a Creo AI and RoboFlow. These advanced you're going to see in upcoming days, guys. Okay, these agentic AI framework you're going to see the upcoming days. So these agentic AI is very important, and these agents can make the workforce more better way. Understand, team? So this is all the agents. You can catch me in LinkedIn to download these documents I posted. So you have to know them. Send this agent PDF. I will share it. You can catch me on LinkedIn and I can update this one, guys. All right. Everyone clear? So today, what are the topics we done? So there's a lot of agentic AI framework. I just build some of the framework like PyData and then small agents. And then we build like Creo AI. Also, you can build LangChain agents. Also, you can build with LangGraph. Okay. And there is a lot of agents works N8N, and there's a lot of agents I'll see, and you guys are able to heard about the future agents which I listed, for these workshops. I'll share it to you. Okay, so these are the futuristic will come up in the market. So fast agency, small agents, and UFO and super AGI AGI. So AGI means phi data has converted to, EGNO AGI. So EGNO AGI. I will share the list of the place series where you can understand this. Okay, now next come to A2A. What is A2A? Okay, guys, I want to give you a small examples. For example, if you do some task, so there is a two agents working together and perform the task. Agree or not? If you want to construct the house, so one agents, can you build one agents to construct the house? No. That means one person cannot construct the house. So required multiple agents. Understand? So can you please share the link of link? Guys, yeah, I will share all the documentations. Okay, so you can watch it later. So what is A2A does? So this is Crew AI, one agent. This is LangGraph agent. So Crew AI will connect to LangGraph to do some task. This is called Agents to Agents protocol. As Entropic created the first protocol MCP. So Google is competitions to this, guys. Are you understand? So what is MCP and what is Google? So I just allow some more time to little know about this theory, and then we talk about practical. We're going to work together and I'll show you how exactly it works. Let's have a look at this, guys. So from current slides. So A2A, what is A2A? A2A stands for Agents to Agent Communications, where autonomous software agents can communicate, collaborate, and make decisions without human interventions. So imagine you book a travel booking. One agent's check flights, another search for hotels, and third make a payment. Multiple works done on same time. Correct, guys? So these agents communicate automatically using A2A protocol. Earlier we have marketing, then digital marketing, isn't it? Now agents, now digital agents. Okay. So this is the paper has created by Google and announcing the agent to agent protocol. This paper, there's a new protocol has released on April 9, 2025, which is just a month ago. And A2A protocol, if you see one agent can interact with another agent. You see this, guys? A new era of agent interoperability. So they mentioned they are launching a new protocol called A2A with support contributions for more 50 technology partners with Atlassian, Box, Cohera, Intuit, LangChain. These are they want a partnership. So definitely it is one of the good boom and used by every organizations in upcoming days. So A2A is open protocol that complements Entropic Smart MCP, which provide helpful tools, context to the agents. Are you getting my point? So I will share this link. You can read the doc and it's very simple. It A2A open protocol complements Entropic MCP. First, MCP model context protocol. See how the market is growing. First, we heard about Gen AI, right, guys? Then LLM introductions. After LLM, we introduced to MCP. Uh, After LLM, we talk about agents. Then we call MCP. In MCP, you can interact with one LLMs, guys. But now A2A. So don't know, in future, the AI is growing and we have to update in the latest trending technos, guys. Are you clear? Next one, A2A. When we see practical, just now we will see. First, listen theory, man. Without driving, if I give you vehicle, would you drive? You know, are you experienced, right? It sounds like that. Shino, answer to your questions. All right. Without no bike driving, will you drive? If I give you a flight, would you drive? Then, so so just rule. As you know, let me have a little technical theory and then we build. Understand, buddy? You're not experienced, just listen first theory. All right. Next. Are you clear what is A2A? Very simple. The two agents work together. One agent should be Creo AI, another agent should be LangGraph. It could be anything. Great. So the next one is UV Python. And before, yeah, so I want to show you another one, GitHub. I want you to open the GitHub, Google's GitHub. If you see Google agent, this is Google agent interact with other agents. This is Google agent. Okay. So here, this would be the Google agent. This Google agent would be interact with any other agents. It could be Creo AI, it could be LangGraph, it could be PhiData, it could be anything else, guys. All right. So after you, why while they interact, secure collaborations, task and management, UX negotiations, capacity discovery, everything it has, guys. So these are the architectures as given. So you will get a Gemini API key and connect it to the local agents, and using help of A2A protocol, one agents can interact with other agents. You understand this graph, guys? So little read this. What is MCP? MCP for tools and resources. So do you see MCP used for tools? What is MCP does? Connect agents to tools, APIs, resource. Understood? Google ADK support MCP tool enabling server to used with agents. So this is very straightforward. A2A multi-model communications between different you can do it, guys. Let's get back to the practical. Before I want to go to the practical, just everyone, can you please log into the github.com Google A2A? Can you please log into the github.com A2A? Yeah. Okay. What is an agent? Mrudal, what is agent? You don't know what is agent? Normally, I already covered the agent is the digital agents. What is marketing? Agents are connect to the LLM models, buddy. Digital agents and task complete the task which connected to LLMs. All right. Okay, see, Mrudal, we have marketing before, then digital marketing. All right. So in normally, what are the agents do, guys? In real time, agents can book the flight ticket for you. In day-to-day life, agents can book the flight ticket, agents can complete the task, agents can do the things, isn't it? So that's the physical agents. Now, what is digital agents? Exactly, the digital agents connected to the LLM models and do the specific task for you. What's your name? Mrudal, are you clear, buddy? You post your questions. I can see your chat window. I don't want to skip anyone's query here. Okay, Mrudal, are you there? Okay. So did you log into the Google A2A, everyone? Great. In this GitHub profile, now check this. We have demo, docs, images, sample, test, and code of conduct. Everything is there, guys. So today we do the practical. One of the biggest challenge. So today we're going to do in our local machines and read this in conceptual overview. So if I read, it will take more time to finish. So in this platform, you can at least read them, how exactly it works, and we're going to understand everything in today's practical. You have a GitHub file or not? In this GitHub file, you notice that demo and images, samples, and you check these are the samples we have. These are the Python in the Python. And also, if you see Python agents, can you go to the agents, Creo AI, Google ADK, LangGraph? Do you see them, guys? Llama Index. These are you able to see the agents, guys? Are you able to see multi-agents, everyone? Where do you go? Just go to the Python. And once you go to the Python, just go to the agent section and then Creo AI, Google ADK, LangGraph, Marvin, all those things we have. Understood? So I want to I want to bring these file to my VS Code. Okay. So all the file, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clone all the code to it. So I want everyone, step one, let's do the practical right now. So the first step, I'll mention all the points. Just work properly, and I'll introduce UV. What is UV? UV is advanced Python, and we'll use in this project. So this is the documents. UV has fast Python package management written in Rust. So I want everyone to, let's open a VS Code. It work well with VS Code. I don't suggest to open any other IDE. Just open a VS Code. Are you open, guys? Please let me know once you're done. Okay. So I'll create all right, just one moment. I'll delete everything and I will work from C drive user. Okay, let's delete it. I'll create a new folder. Just 1 second. And first step is open A2A GitHub. This is the first step. All right, guys. Okay, good. So the next one, VS Code. Third one, create a new folder in VS Code. Create a new folder in VS Code. Activate your virtual environment. Activate your virtual environment. The fifth one. Just go to where is my VS Code? All right, let's refresh it. Okay, that's great. So I have everything is empty, new file. You open like this. So I'm going to open it and create a new folders. And I mention as dot or maybe 0 dot A2A agents. Okay, agents. Do you say create a new folder, guys? Everyone created? Everyone. So the one who not understand, you will get more errors. No need to panic. So let's do this. Right click. This is folders I created. Just let me now in this folder, I'll go to terminal, new terminal. In this new terminal, I want select to command prompt, go to command prompt CMD. In this CMD, I want to create a environment, folder in this folder. So CD and 0, CD0, A2A agent. So my command prompt has get back to here. How to create an environment variable? Python M venv my env, guys. Now let's activate. So when you activate, do you see in A2A agents, I created my folder. It takes some time to activate. Yep, it's done. And after that, I want to activate. So how to activate? I have to go to the script. So my env script activate. Great. Do you see the platform has to bring back to my env? How many of them done? Please let me know. How many of them done? Please let me know. Just completed. Aniket, hello. Hi, buddy. What happened, Aniket? Done. Great. Naga, you're from 8:30 a.m., right? 5:30 p.m. Okay, no problem. Yeah, good. Everyone activated. The one who not activated. So I'm just waiting for quick. If you do not has VS Code, then might be trouble to do this. Also, I use this your documentations to for a reference. This is the GitHub repo. And once you activate, I will share this GitHub repository. Let me copy and I will post it here, everyone. Okay, so this is GitHub repo. Please open and let me know once you activate. Have you activated, guys? Please update me. Please let me know once you're done. Okay, done. How many of them done? Okay, great. Yes, activated. So just go here. And after done, uh, just A2A. Do you have the GitHub profile or not? This is my GitHub profile. So Python. So I'll go to, let's select the Google file and let me close. I will open the link again, which I give it to you. Just chat. How to activate it? Akash, hey man, you don't know how to activate environment variable? Very simple. One second. So if you can't do, maybe you can do it later. I will repeat again how to activate it for last time. Okay. Listen to this. This is my GitHub again, one more time. So guys, how to activate? Go to the VS Code. Okay. This VS Code activated, everyone. Okay. So from this VS Code, I create a new folder. Just create a new folder. Have you created? Have you created? Once you create a new folder, just do cd, go to the command and activate my env here. Cd to my env file and cd and python m. These are the script python m venv my env, and after that my env script activated. So this is what you have to do. So these many steps. So just I'm gonna do it. So in your file, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? Please answer me. Offline team done, everyone? Okay. So next part. So I want to do git clone. I want to clone my A2A file. Let's copy and paste here. And okay, listen to me. You have to clone this file below my env. Just hold on, A2A. So just enter. Now, do you see the files are cloning? Please do it. Git clone. Clone is done. Clone is done. So whatever the git file, I give it to you. So please clone the file. Online team, are you guys understand? Are you doing work with me? So this is the latest one you're doing. So done. Very good, Shubham. Completed. Excellent. Who else done? Okay. Who are getting errors? Anyone getting errors, guys? Anyone? Sir, is it for existing batch? No, no need to do. Yeah. See, this is GitHub. I'm just clone it. If not, okay, guys, I'm sorry. So here I done the wrong thing. I have to, do you see code file? You have to copy this, guys. A2A.git, this one. Which one I deleted? A2A demo. That's fine. This also fine. It's not a big deal. Have you done this, team? Everyone completed? Great. So now, one moment. So I think I use this, which one? Guys, can you do one moment? So what I'm going to do, I want to delete it better to not prevent anything. Do one thing. I will, sir, I'm getting this error. Yeah, yep. Just, I know you'll get this error. I'm going to do one moment. Just stay. Okay. So go back to the folder. From the folder, I am deleting the A2A agents. I will create one more time. getting unauthorized access. Is it? No, you won't get that. Listen to me. Whatever I created, I'll delete once again. I'm sorry, guys. So just as this is running, I'm doing some wrong cloning. So let's do this right way, or just one moment. Close this and I will let me close my VS Code and I'll do it. C2Agents, guys. Or maybe you don't create a new folder. No problem. Let's keep that as usual. I'll open VS Code one more time. Please watch it. The guys who got error on environment variable creations. So I'll create a new folder one more time. Let's create 0.A2A agents, A2A agents. Let's create a folder. Okay, this is my folder I created, isn't it? Now, what I'm going to do now, let's delete everything. I'll go to the terminal, new terminal, great. And once I go to the new terminal, just go to CMD prompt. Guys, do not work on PowerShell. Just move to the CMD prompt. Let me know done. Then it might work. And once you go to the CMD prompt, CD0 tab, I bring back to the agents. Now, Python, okay. All right, guys. Getting Git is not is an internal. Okay. See, Python MV my env. The guys who got error, I'm sure you never worked before. That's the reason you got errors. If you worked before, definitely you won't get any error. Okay. Now in this one, my env script activated. It's good. Now it is activated. Do you see now? In here, after activated, just go to your code in your Git section. I mean A2A section. Just go to your Git section. Can you please go to the code and do you see GitHub CLI, or you can HTTP? Let's copy that, and this one, I want to copy this file, guys. Go to the code sections, HTTPs, let's copy that. Okay, let's copy that, and you go here and git clone and do this. Now the cloning is done. Great, the cloning completed. The same things we got, but I just don't want to error after that. Let me know how many of them done. After you done A2A, select on A2A, this part, select on this part, A2A, this part. And after you select, you can see that when you can see demo, docs, images, samples, specification, test. Are you find out this, guys? Resolved. Thanks. So yeah, guys, if you don't reserve, might be end of the day we encountered some errors. So I don't want you to just get those issues at last. So it's better we fix it earlier. So this dear learner, okay, good, Subhash. So if you see this, whatever Git I have here, everything I clone to my VS Code. That's it, isn't it? Once I done, okay, now can you solve? I again, I want you to install three code. CD2A UV inst Python. Okay, so you have to install this, guys. We need to use UV. What is UV? Okay, UV con. So just let UV is advanced Python library written in Rust. So just go for A2A PPT UV Python. Now let me open the doc. When you open the doc, you need to install the Python. If you see this diagram, okay, so introductions, this is UV. Look at this introductions, an extremely fast Python package and project manager with written in Rust. If you see them, UV runs the code 0.06. So next future Joby, whatever agents you're going to work in this one, it has to be written in UV, and pip commands would be not work. When you install pip using pip, it takes 10 seconds. But when you install in UV, it takes just 0.06 seconds, which is very faster. Why the UV has more? A single tool replace pip. It is replaced to pip, pip tools, pipex, pottery, pi, ANV, twin, environment variable create automatically and 100x faster than pip, guys. Are you see them? So that's why we need to install this in Windows. How do you install? So you can refer all those things. So I'm first one, UV Python install. Can you do it, guys? UV Python install. See this code, UV Python install. I already installed Python, UV Python install, enter. Let me know after installed. UV Python installed. Yes. Yeah, sure, that works. No problem. See, as most of them are beginners, so I have to do it one more time so that they can also work. Understood, Ishwar? Yeah, you can also install Git. That's not a big issue. Great. UV Python install. Are you installed, guys? Everyone? It's working? Do you see my env is activated? Everything you are working under my env. Everything is you guys working inside the my env. Are you clear? UV is not recognized. Anyone got this error? UV not recognized. Okay. UV not recognized. Why you got like that? Just you shouldn't get this, guys. Did you activate inside the my env? Still it got error? No, it should work. Can you go to the file? Can you fix it? Because UV Python install, have you see that? It should work, guys. Maybe need to install first. Yeah, this is the first code. This is what the you pip install UV. Can you try that pip install? No, man, same. Pip, okay, try this pip install UV or UV Python install. It's working. Pip install UV and then try this. Worked? Okay, great. Completed, everyone? Please answer. Done? It's in process. Okay, great. 1 minute in process. Okay, I'm just waiting. No worries. It will be done quickly because everything I documented, UV Python install, or maybe you can do done. So this is the way you install. I already created. Understand, guys? Okay, done, everyone? How many of them done? Online team, offline team completed? Okay, you can't work? I'll tell you because we'll do later. Okay, so no problem. Okay, UV Python install. Great. Are you done, everyone, guys? Great. So let's go back to my doc. So open A2A GitHub, VS Code, create new folder, and then copy git clone GitHub code to where, guys? Clone GitHub code to your VS Code under below under my NB file, my env file. Ho gaya pura? Guys, understand up to this? Next one. Great. Okay, any query online team? I tried pip install of UV Python and it works. Great, Shinu. Now you got your practical. Okay, now next do this. Everyone done? Can I move on to the next step? Great. If you see this A2A, can you select A2A? Where is this A2A? And I want to go to samples and Python and agents. Would you see you have Creo AI, Google ADK, LangGraph? Are you able to see this three file? Creo AI, Google ADK, LangGraph. Are you got this, guys? Everybody. So Creo AI, Google ADK, LangGraph. Okay, the code already written by Google. So what you need to do is just select on Creo AI and agents.py. Just read the file over here. Okay, do you see we have we have asynchron, base, collections, Creo AI. So when you copy the code and run it in Google Colab, your Creo AI codes runs. समझ में आया? Understand, guys? Everyone, do you see this, all the files here? No need to touch single code. Just don't do edit anything. I just want to show you that this code has written already, and it has to be communicate this protocol. So the code has already written here. Are you guys understand? So let me close it. Got me? Next, Google ADK. Please open Google ADK, agent.py. This agent is whose agent, guys? Google ADK. The good part of this code is you can see it has already a given request ID. So, I mean, you don't need to be so much. If you know coding, you can understand what has been. It's just a simple class and functions. And this is which agents, guys? Google ADK agents. Do not touch it. Do not. And the next one, LangGraph. So when you say LangGraph, okay, so chart Google generative AI. Would you see this, guys? This is also what is this does. It will this LangGraph convert USD to Euro latest. We have a currency conversion is there or not? So this code is done this, guys. And how exactly done? Everything done by, I will show you which model has introduced Gemini 2.0 Flash. Okay, Gemini 2.0 Flash. So you can see that. Now let me open, and this is my LangGraph. This is Google JDK. Let's open what it is does, guys. Create a request for the employee. Okay, so this is all request ID. So return as JSON of the string what you get all these files of this, guys. Are you clear now? Okay, so next one, do one thing. So just go back to the what is the next step? We clone GitHub and then we little, where do we go for A2A? Look at the file A2A and then samples and then Python and then agents, and we view which file? Creo AI and then Google ADK and then LangGraph. समझ में आ रहा है, guys? Okay. Yep, LangGraph. Three things is done. Freshers might not understand, but don't worry. You can watch the video. Things would be pretty clear. So what I'm going to do now, please minimize and in open a terminal again. The terminal already exists. The terminal already exists CMD. Please install pip install .env. Please install, guys. Just go here. The second step is pip install .env. Are you done? Where do you install pip install .env? Under the my env file, pip install.env, and done. Are you guys done? Great. So now the next one, I need one API key to connect with all the agents, guys. So let's create a, because if you see the code, which model? Gemini 2.0 Flash model has internally inbuilt. So we need API key to link all the agents, guys. So what you need to do here, get your API key, get your API key. And how do you get to the API key? Just go to Google and type Google AI Studio and just generate API key, and please test the API key quick. So how do I do it? Just go to the Google part, and over here, just go to Google and type AI Studio, execute Google AI Studio, API key, just API key, and you got your, just create your API key. So I created already API key, and after create API key, just let me know once you're done. Get your API key. After your API key, I want you to test it, guys. I want you to test it. So before testing, just one moment, just one moment. Okay. Gemini. Okay. First test. Please install. I have my API key. This is my API key. Let's copy and I'll paste here, guys. This is my API key. Just did you get your API key? Everybody? Okay, great. After API key, just quick test. Create a new file, pip install QU Google Generative AI. Please install. Create a new file, new text, new file, or maybe you can create under anywhere. Just go here, A2A agents, right click, new file, or maybe you can create somewhere. And I want you to test this file, pip install QU Google Gen AI. And once you install, you already done before, you have to install once again because Gemini 2 launch new model. Those old versions will not works. You has to be update. Pip install quit, update Gen AI model. And after you done that, please test your API key. I already tested. So two code, I want you to write this. Please write this two code, or maybe you test in Jupyter as well. That's fine. And the code which you generate, I want you to test the two code. Very simple. Okay, very simple. Did you generate API key? Did you generate API key? Are you able to work? Just now? No problem. Yeah. So the guys who not understand, no problem. So maybe you can, the live is there. So I'll share this recording link. You can do it. It's very simple. Nothing else. And test this API key. And you can use Gemini 2.5 Flash model. It is Gemini released a new model for 17 April 17. Just mention what is model context protocol or what is A2A. It will run. It will run. So here I will check this. What is A2A protocol versus MCP? Okay. Protocol. Just let's execute now. Let's execute. Let's execute. So the code is running. It should get output means the API case works fine, correct? If not, I have to change it, guys. You can use Gemini 2 Flash model. That's fine. Great. Do you see? A2A application to applications communications. What protocol? You can interact with HTTP, REST API, and Kafka, MQTT, all those things. What is MCP? A MCP, this is a specific, this is a simple protocol to connect with local server. And okay, did you test it, guys? Let me know once you're done. Okay. What we done so far? Okay. So offline team completed. Just let's copy and I will share the code here. Can you please copy? Yeah, I'm doing it. Kiran, every time you want. Yeah, that's okay. Please remove the API key. Oops, I by mistake I share it, right? Just do 2 minutes. Okay, do not use my API key. You will get error, guys. Are you done now? Do not use API key. My API key. You get your API key. Completed or not? Okay, done. Offline team, how many of them done? API key works or error? Great. Online team, how many of them completed? Did you generate API key? Did you generate API key? Yes, Shubham, great. And after generate, do you test the code? Does your API key is working? Yes, good, Sakib. Okay, that's nice. So once you've done this in progress, okay, please create your API key. Now minimize and then go to file, save all. No, can you see? No, can the session is recording? Can you watch the video? You only ask, right? When the practical start? Practical start. Why can't you work? I'll post. Please check the YouTube live, buddy. Okay, done. Next. Next, let me close this. Let me close this, or let's keep it here. Again, go back to, okay, let me copy, or I will share this code here. I'll delete my API key. And if somebody asks, I can share this code to them. API testing, API test. All right, so here, so I'm just remove my API. Good, let's save it. Okay, so whatever API key you created, I have to paste that API key inside my A2A platform. Understand, guys? So how do I create it? So I will create like this. Okay. So I will create a new environment variable here. Okay. So inside Crew AI, I have to paste the API key, guys. I have to paste the API key. All right, guys. So how to paste the API key to, because keys shouldn't be visible or not. So that's why I will show you. 1 second. So here we go. And okay, now close this. Go to A2A and go to terminal first, new terminal, or we have old terminal CMD, right, guys? This is my terminal. Let's close. Let's close. This is my terminal. And can you go to sample and Python and agents and Crew AI? Inside Crew AI, what you need to do here, create a right click, new file .env. ठीक है? Go to Crew AI, right click .env. Let's click it. And then you can write Google and API key equals to, I got the key, right? So here we go. Oops, I think I didn't. I forgot to paste it. Just one moment. I have to open it again. 2 minutes. First test. Let's copy and paste here. Done this. Okay. And then Control S. So let's copy Google API key. Are you done what I'm doing, guys? Can you please go to Python, inside Python agents, Crew AI, right click and create a new file .env and save it and copy the file and close this. Are you done now? Again, Creo AI we installed env. Creo AI is an agents. Next, Google ADK. Again, Google ADK, right click, new file, .env. One more time and paste that and Control S and Control S, save it. I will install in Google ADK as well. And then LangGraph, if you see the LangGraph, right click, new file, .env and Control V. Just Control S, save it. समझ में आ रहा है guys? What I'm doing is inside agents, I have 3 agents. See, A2A. What is task, guys? Agents to agents. यहीं पे Creo AI is one agent. Google ADK is another agent. LangGraph is another agent. So how the 3 agents can communicate and work the task? So that's what we're doing right now. So I just copy the file here, Google ADK and Creo AI and LangGraph. Let me know once you're done. Let me know once you're done, guys. Okay, see, 20 already dropped. I told you, freshers, they won't work because IPL timing is there. Online team, how many of them completed? Agree? Done? Yes, very good. Just type D, whoever done, online people. Naga done, Shubha's done. Okay. Yeah, I know, Kiran. That's true. So happily mention them on your resume, guys. Are you clear? Okay. Can we go to the next step? Can you go to the next step? Can we go to the next step? Yes, yes, sure. The next step is I want to, okay, A2A agents. Then I have to go to the Creo AI locations now. Where is Creo AI location? To go to the Creo AI location from A2A agents to A2A box, again samples, again Python, again agents, again Creo AI. Do you see this workflow? I have to go to that locations. Let's go to that locations, CD A2A, and then samples, then Python, then agents, then Creo AI. Enter. Great. So what I'm going to do now, so please go to that. Where do we install? We have a Creo AI agents or not, guys? So just go to that locations. Go to that locations, everyone. Just go to that locations. Sure, sure. I will share all these documents after that. Please write uv run dot. Please write uv run dot. Just enter. When I'm doing enter, okay, uv log, why? Revision uv.log failed using C Python. I have this uv.log file. Where is that, buddy? Yeah, in the folder. Where is that? Creo AI. One moment. Creo AI. Okay. So, all right. So what happened if I delete it? Okay, yeah, I see that. If I delete it should work, right, Naga? Let me do that. So you got the same thing. I'm gonna do right click and let's see if I delete, just move to recycle bin now. And here, no, missing field versions. It shouldn't issue. Anyone got the same error? You got the same error? Okay. Yes. Do one thing. No problem. Why it got lock? The lock file need to be removed. Yeah, I just removed, but still, I think reload terminal. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Uh let's do refresh one more time and let's refresh it. And can you check UV lock? They've been added newly. Just try this. Okay, run terminal. Let's say new terminal one more time. I'll go to command prompt and then again cd. All right, so here 0. Okay, and hold on, cd, sorry, just okay. And then I have to activate again my env script, activate pool. And after that, all right, so just go to cd A2A samples and Python agents crew AI. All right, so uv run dot, come on, missing field. Why? Hmm. Okay. Everyone got the same error? Let's use once see that activate. Okay. So let's see uv.log, uv activate. So uv help. Let's take the uv help and no progress. Color, use quit output offline, uv help. All right. So in this case, let me use little GPT for this, guys. Okay. Now I'll use fail to prep cause to error here. Fail to revision equals to 2. Missing field version. UV run. Okay. UV run. All right. Just chat. UV run activate. Right, guys? चलो एक बार try करेंगे. Activate. So I think UV run activate still. But one moment in here, in this Git. So can you go to the CREO Google ADK? Still log file are there in Google ADK? You don't have. One moment. cd dot dot cd Google ADK and uv run dot. Okay. Okay. So in Google ADK also we have, but you don't have the file. So let me check. Does not match the project environment path. All right. So here let's, because you expected file to follow specific but corrupted vn. Let's okay. So this is the file we done. and no, missing field versions. Hmm? UV run. No. See, what we do here, we need to run Creo AI. Now we add all this file or not? Google ADK, just 1 second. Come on, man. So I'll try this now and go to this part, Creo AI and LangGraph. Okay. Can you try to fix, guys? You got this error? Yeah, in GenAI, all projects done through API only. Not like that. Yes, man. When you install antivirus in your system, all right. So all antivirus will update in API key, buddy, Aniket, correct? Yes. So of course, yes, then. Okay, no problem. I'll try to do this here. Cd dot dot. Okay. CD. Oops. Please try to check this, guys. If not, cd dot dot CLS and cd A2A agents, cd A2A, and then I have like cd samples, and we have like Python, and then agents. All right, then Creo AI. So uv run dot. Right, it's created, guys. Wait, allow. Yeah, it's working here. Let's check. Great. Do you see local host has created? Do you see the local host is created, guys, here? Do you see the file localhost? Just let's close it. Do one thing. I will change my another folder. See, it should, I think, you have to little maybe fix this. I will change with other folders. It works for me. Are you guys getting my point? So little try. So whatever steps you done, create same steps with different folders and might it works for me. The local host created. So do you see this, guys? Naga, can you try? Or maybe you do it later. Understood, guys? Okay. So if you see starting server, do you see my local host? Copy that. And so here, okay, guys, now listen to me. Maybe the first one, Creo AI UV run dot. When I enter, so I got my local host. What is local host? 10,001. Which agent is that? Creo AI. Okay, guys. Which agent is that? Creo AI. Now, what is next? Google ADK, right? Google ADK, guys. So let me check in this agents, Creo AI and .env, the same code, that's fine. And guys, please listen one more time. After done, can I go to terminal? I'll open new terminal, guys. I will open new terminal. If you see this, my one UV code is running here. One UV code is running. Which code is that? Creo AI code. I want to open my Google GDK, Google another file, which is Google ADK. Now CD, I will open 4 terminals, guys. I'll open another terminals, CD and enter cd here A2A agents. That's fine. And again, I have to my in scripts activate, and after activate, I will go for which one? A2A, CD A2A, and then again samples, again then Python, again then agents, again Google ADK. Are you guys clear now? And once I go to the Google ADK, UV run dot enter. I hope it should work. Yes. Okay. So it's loading. It's loading here. It takes some time. Just wait for some time. Okay. Do you see which host has runs here, guys? HTTP localhost 10,002. So go back to the code now. UV run dot. So which has captured this one? Let me copy and let's post here console वाला ये 2. So which one is this? Google ADK. ठीक है? So which one we left? LangGraph. So just go to, so two terminal I have, right guys? Can I say this is A2A, one agent, Crew AI agent, communicate with this one. I will go to terminal, new terminal, and again go to CMD and then CD in Mac. Yes, everything it works. Sunil, same way. Okay, buddy. Again, CD, okay, workshop, and then CD A2A agents, my end scripts activate. Okay, CD A2A, and then कहाँ पे जाना है अभी? Samples, then Python, and then where guys? Okay, agents, and then LangGraph. I have to go back to this part. So just LangGraph, cool. And again, UV run dot enter. I hope it should work. Let's try it out. Okay, great. Do you see this now? So what I'm going to do now, UV run dot. So which file is this, guys? Let me copy it and paste it. What is localhost? 0. So which one is this? LangGraph. Are you clear up to this? Understood? Very simple code, but definitely it'll take time, guys, to, sorry, sir, I missed two. We need to copy that. No, Kiran, that's fine. You will find that recording. I'll share you the file. So make sure every file, check env, it is fine. And CreoI done, Google ADK, env done, amazing. And okay, and then LangGraph, in the LangGraph.env I pasted. So make sure it's done. And what next? I'll create another terminal. In this terminal, I'll go to the CMD prompt. In the CMD prompt, CD workshop and CD A2A agents. Localhost, right? How to fix it? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I'll fix it. Just A2A agents, and then I have to go to main.py where you see, do you see demo, guys? Select the demo UI. What is UI? User interface. Once I go to the UI, you have main.py. I want to activate it. Just cd A2A demo and UI. Cool. Oh, I'm sorry. So I didn't activate my environment, right, guys? So cd A2A agents, my env script activate CLS, and then I go to cd A2A, okay, demo, and then cd UI. All right. Here. Okay, which one? Main. UV run main.py. Pretty clear? Just go back and enter it here. Now, wait. So here, so in demo, main, then demo UI, main dot. So here, UV run main dot py. So once I go, great. Do you see I got my local host? Let's copy. What is the local host? 12,000. So I'm select it. I got error, guys. So my file has running on local host. What I'm gonna do, I will remove this and local host enter. Excellent. Done, guys. Yeah, so it's asking my Google API key. Kiran, you got me now? How it's done? Just, okay, my code is running in the backend, and so I have to take any API key. Just go to, yeah, I just copy where is my API key? Just 2 minutes, samples, and Python, yes, Agents2AI. Chalo, isko ek copy that and let's close. And here, save. It will take more time. It will not the process going on. So in this one, let's wait for some time. Guys, are you understand how A2A works? Inside company, API key given by organizations. Now you can connect to multiple A2A works. Very nicely explained. You don't know that. You'll work, you got to know. So working professionals use this in samples, yes. Now, okay. So, okay, now it has logged, guys. It has logged. Do you see in this one? Okay, let me tell you the questions comes, Subhash, no problem. uv.log error, it normally won't get it, but if you got little, create a new file and delete it for everyone and try it again. There's only one options. We need to unlock it. So after this, do you see expand menu, home, agents, event list, and then task list? So I'm going to click it and I will ask, let's write a questions. It will take some time, guys, because three agents runs in local machines. It's not that pretty easy. Yeah. UV run activate. Naga, you got it? Great. So guys, whoever got, no, I try that active. Can you please write this code? Thanks, man. Can you please write UV run 2_active? Try this, guys. Thank you, Naga. UV run 2.active. Subhash, can you try this code? UV run active, everyone. This one, UV run active. Now try that. Is it work for you, Naga? Great. See, when I click it, it take most time. So yeah, not yet, but trying. Okay, no worries, guys. So can you copy paste the command? Which command? This one. So yeah, okay. Everyone, UV and run and active and dot. Yeah, UV run hyphen active. Yes. So when you see this, guys, look at this, and I want you to use your right click task setting. In the taskbar setting, or maybe you can do right click task manager. In the task manager, I want you to go to the performance. As your memory will consume a 15 GB, 16 GB RAM I have, it consume 15 GB memory. Understand or not? But still it will work, no problem, because I tested. So if I just do refresh it again, I will do it. Let's try. You have to add agents here, guys, or else it won't work. Do you see? How can I help you? It asked me, guys. Now I'll create it. Can you display? Can you show me the available agents? It should display how many agents, guys? 3 agents. Now execute it. Now execute it. It give me error. You know why? I didn't set up any agents here. I have to set up agents here, but I want to show you that what errors you will encounter over here. If not, I will set up agents right now. Every agent setup, minimum it will take 20 to 30 minutes. So if I on this video, it's going to be take 9 to night 8 or 9. So what I'm going to do it. So first I will show you how to agents as it's running. Let's runs. And I will tell you what could be the outcome. What could be the outcome you will get. So how many of them clear, guys, today's session? Offline team? I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You clear. Online team, how many of them understand? Okay, great. Interesting, guys. Learn new topics. Yes, guys. Okay. Freshers chale gaye? Haan, chale jao. No worries. Yeah. Vivek, any query? Wait, I'll talk to you if I have any queries, guys. But I want to try this. Okay. Okay. Did you see I got response? What response got? I'm sorry, I cannot fulfill. There are no remote agents available. What exactly error message I got? Okay, now let's do it. I'll click on agents now. And when I click on agents, just do things, no problem. After I click on agents, guys, why I didn't load 3 agents? I have to load 3 agents so that one agent can communicate to other agents. So just I clicked it, just click once. And what you're going to see the output is the first one. Okay, Google API, do we enter like this? The step, next step. I already done in my home. Okay, so definitely I have to do it, guys, because once I test it, I cannot show it, guys. After testing API key, okay, do you see localhost 1? I have to enter the localhost. It will ask. Okay, so let's click this one more time. And when you agents, do you see? Now look at this one. Look at this one, guys. So where I select, this is my UI. I select agent sections or not. In this agent sections, what you will get, you will directly get a agent address. 1 second. I know it will take more time. No problem. Just one moment. I will remove and let's agent sections where this run. Try it. Cool. Do you see remote agents now, guys? In this remote agent, let's upload or let's update. What I will update, it will loading. Let's load. I will enter this one, localhost 1001. Clear? 10,001. Save. Next. If you save it, it will stacked in the agent address. समझ में आया, guys? Then after some time, upload it. Which one? Localhost 10,002. What is 10,001? Image generations agent and text plain image and 10,002. This is these are agents and localhost 100. This 2 agents as listed or not? What next? What is last? 10,000. I have 3 agents, guys. This one. 10,001, 10,002. So Creo AI loaded, Google ADK loaded, LangGraph loaded. So just 10,002 currency agent. I told you 3 agents are loaded or not. Are you guys clear? Everyone? Online team, how many of them understood? Online team, how many of them understood? Still getting understood. See, Madhur Ranjan, no problem. I will tell you the output that how to unlock. It's normally won't get. If you get, I think the lock features will practice. Yeah, you can do it later. And once you do that, let me go back to you. Do you see agent address ask or not? Localhost. Localhost. What is my address? 10,001, right? Now read. Now read. Let me read. The same steps, guys. Same steps. I will share this document. Same steps. And after that, it has tagged. And after that, it has tagged. And finally, you can ask how many agents we have. I have access, image generator agents, reimbursement agent, currency agent. Do you see this, guys? How exactly it works? Did you clear how A2A agents works internally? And we're not running in some other systems. Might be if your system has less RAM, it may not works. But rest of things, it will work. Everyone is clear today's session? Everyone is clear today's session? So guys, interesting. In your resume, please mention A2A protocol. This is called A2A protocol. So guys, in the meantime, I will share one documents. Just in this document, so I just create a entire agentic AI play series. So you can watch it. This is going on A2A session. This is MCP session. All are good openings. You go here and go to LinkedIn and ask about, let's talk about jobs. And you can say MCP jobs and remote, you get enter. So machine, I mean, you will get model agentic AI. Agentic AI. Let's try this. Now look at this, guys. Okay. Agentic AI domain specific LLM developer. What is the job skills they're looking for it, guys? I mean, LLM, OpenAI, OpenUSD. Okay, develop CI/CD, everything. All right, guys. So NVIDIA, all the files, you have to work on it. Agentic AI SME. Based on your expertise, Value Labs also, it has been created. Agentic AI developer. You can write them 6+ experience. You need to know MCP. Do you know MCP or not? Companies are asking MCP. Companies are asking everywhere now. RAG techniques, model context protocol, Python expertise. You have to know it. So I covered nice topics this one. And by attend, listen this video, at least you can speak. You guys understand? And then small agents. This is small agents. And 5 IGNO AI, Creo AI, LangChain agents. We build it. And I'm sharing this file. MCP sessions, it will come under it, guys. And then if you want to know the resume building sessions, I already take a resume building sessions, how to build a resume building ATS core, which would helpful for you. And generative AI, you can find list of the play series is available in here. You can try to find out, or DeepSeek also done, Olama, listed model, GenAI, and all those things as given to you guys. So I hope, can I share all the file? Yes, guys, please watch it. And this is awesome practicals. I know even though little delay, and I mean, every sessions are more than 1 hour, 2 hours. So that's the way I can do the projects within 30 minutes, but that's not make sense. So I have to educate the behind for it. So guys, if you let me talk about this, what is my code here? See this is how many memory uses out of 16 GB, 15.9 GB has done. Sometimes if your code, if your UI does not respond, no need to worry. Do you see this, guys? Image generator agent has done or not? Text plain image. Now save it. Now, which file I'm saving now? Creo AI. So it will take some time. Again, I will upload this button. And again, which host? 10,002. Next, it will ask like that and save it again. Follow the same steps I just mentioned. This is the steps, guys. So if you follow it, the same steps, guys. Google API key, 10,001, 10,002, 10,000 Google API key. And after Google API key, we create 10,001, save it. Do you see every run takes more time or not? So if I wait, it will take another 30 to 40 minutes, which doesn't make sense. So I hope just 10,002, it can stack here. 10,002, it stack here. 10,003, I mean 10,000, all the three models as loaded. Now your code will three. This is image generator agents, reimbursement agents, currency agents, and this agents will interact like this. Okay, so how many protocols? We have three protocols, and the currency agent helps with exchange rate. What does the currency agents do? I'll ask a query, and currency exchange will do these exchanges, guys. You can apply this part. I hope understand everyone. So UV lock fixed or still getting error? Still error? No problem. Share the setup documents so that I can try. Yeah, I can give it this, but there are few things no need to try like this. This one do not want, and this one also do not want. Okay, this one also do not want. I'll share the setup documents and you can try them out, guys. Are you clear or not? You just watch this video and connect it. Things would be pretty clear. Okay. So maybe check this in Chat GPT. Also, you can ask or Grok how to fix the UV dot lock. UV is a new installations, so maybe new features has be there. So now let's open it. Little have a reference to the GPT to fix this issue. Yeah. So can I use 5.4 mini with A2A? Yes, but you can do it. Ajay, great learning. Okay, thank you, Ajay. How to fix UV dot lock. So wait, so now UV package manager, and let's go back to my UI. Do you see, guys? It take more time or not? Why it take more time? I have 15 GB, at least it's working for you. 4 to 8 GB nahi chalega shayad. Let's try, but follow the blueprint. Understand? Just follow the blueprint. At least you know, right? How it works, how it handles, how the API key creates. Okay, that's okay. Let's save it. I already saved it. I have to call all these addresses. Okay, still I didn't get any response. Still didn't get this response, guys. Ramana, it really helps. Great, guys. So guys, once if you've done this, please subscribe to our NIT channels and comment it. So I'm planning to bring up more advanced video. Okay, so just these are new things are there. Everybody is doing. So why shouldn't I, right, guys? So as I have good exposure on it, so definitely I have to do it. And Grok, I think nowadays GPT has slowed down. So we're going to use real-time A2A protocol. Good questions. How first in real-time use case, you need to know which company gives you which LLMs. First questions, Ramana. Second question. Second question is whether A2A is required or not. Second question. Third question. If your use case solved in MCP and LLM does not go to A2A. Understand? So you can create, why not? In this local host, you upload RAG model and you can connect to all this in this Python code. This, if you go to the Creo AI, open this main.py, and you can work on your platform, guys. You have to upload your Office files and you can secure key and you work. Understood, Ramada? So this is the way you can do it. So based on a use case. So MCP also used, and yeah, you can definitely use it, man. It's a secure. Okay, just one moment. All right, so Grok, I'm just tried the last one. So just how to fix uv.lock and why uv. Okay, getting log files. You're planning to build agent AI use case, which is recommends agent. No, I can't say based on your data, based on it. What type of data, Ramana, you have? What type of data? Whether it's image and then running. Oh yeah, that's what Madhuranjan. Very simple. Oh, it's fixed. Unmute you. So guys, delete it and run it. It works because one already done this. Yeah, that's why I done it already earlier. It's solved after deleting all UV. Okay. How many UV log file is there? Creo log file. When I delete only one, delete all the 3 log files and done and rerun the code. Is it work? It will run. Thanks, guys. uv.log, create and one inside. Yeah. Wherever you find Python. Okay, bash. Can you try this as well? UV log upgrade all packages to dependency. UV run logged command or UV run frozen command. So here, did you see you have some commands, guys? You can try them commands and it doesn't a big issue. Okay, it doesn't a big issue. RM, okay, use this command as well. Remove VN log file. Use this, it's solved. What is RM command? Remove virtual environment log command or pip install upgrade UV. Yes, you can also do that. Pip install upgrade UV. So these are the commands you can use it. I hope you can try them. So guys, how is it? Offline team, do you feel good sessions? Understood? Online team? Customer try to handle, what is customer saying? Customer try to handle the customer's problem. Of course, entire world is customer's problem. Right, Ramana? Everything. Call volume. See, few things we cannot 100% automate, but yes, 90% we can automate. So when you work with audio, still it is in research phase. It is not fully developed. You have to give a POC on it. Just you can apply like whisper, sync, lip syncs, all those things you need to do it. Or maybe, yeah. So first, every cases we shouldn't use agentic AI based on the requirement. We need to research and look at the data, how many of them uses and how many of them, what are the volume of usage, and based on it, we need to act according to it, guys. Okay, call volume. Yeah, I can see that. So look at this uv.log. Got it. Thanks you. uv.dry run catchy clean verbose. Okay, done. So let me check my running. What happened here? Agents. Okay, do you see this, guys? Fix हुआ कि नहीं? Now I can add more like this. I can add more, but it will take more time. So rather than more, I go home one more time and I will ask to my agent, remote agents, just click it. Same steps. You can follow the same steps. You won't get anything extra. API key feed it, and then we can create local host. This one, 1002, 10,002, and I'll upload like this and ask this query. Clear, guys? So I hope we spent 2 hours almost, and that's okay. So tomorrow I'm going to take a morning. I take a if you freshers, if anyone freshers who wants to switch, you can tell them to join tomorrow's session. Roadmap. All right. So I'll guide you detailed roadmap. Many people are confused. What is DS, DA, LLMs, Gen AI, Agentic AI? क्या होता है ये चीज? Why we need to learn all of them? So, so can I get a okay team? So everyone is. That's it for today, and nothing else. And see you. Any more questions, online people? Any more questions? Good. Okay. Thank you, guys. So expected a comments and oh, okay. I will try to create a Git right away and I post all those things. I will share my have you joined this WhatsApp group? It's a good sessions. Very good, Chandan. Let me close this. And so here we go. I think I want you to, I'll share this doc, guys. Please refer the doc. One moment. This doc I will share. Okay. And I'm going to start a new batch. If any references you can share on 5th May 4 p.m. And then you can just these are the IDs and you can join the group. Not old guys, the new guys. The new guys, whoever new guys, please. I will share the document. If you just can you give me 2 minutes? I'll post my Git here. Okay, let's create your profile. Okay, let me post repositories. So I'll create a new repositories like just A2A protocol, A2A protocol. So here, just descriptions. We build agents to agents. Okay, so let's read me file, create, and I will share this YouTube links. 2 minutes. I will upload all the file. Sorry. Let's call the live link and okay, this part is done. This is the live link and commit changes. Commit changes. Let's upload all the file. There is no project code. You can refer this. It will open directly a to a file, guys. Okay. And I'll upload the docs. That's enough. Where is file? Just here. Okay, go back to here one more time. And sorry. This is GitHub Actions. Okay, choose file. One moment. So desktop, A2A documents. This documents I'll post complete agents, A2A PPT. That's it. Session sheet. Just open. Now let's commit changes. Great. That's it. After deleting, it's working fine. Wonderful sessions. Got to learn the concepts behind A2A. Thank you. That's fine. Let me copy. Yeah. I'm also studying, guys, every day. Yeah, you can also share GitHub. Yeah, I'm doing it right now. Just thanks. I want offline team, everyone to update me tomorrow. Okay? Karoge? Yeah. So please, I share it. Just at least one prompt, it appears that's good enough. See? I'm search home. It's take more time. All right. It will take more time. No worries about that. I posted. Have you filed the file, guys? Did you got this file? Thank you. And happy weekends, everyone. And see you tomorrow. Please accept the comments from everyone in the YouTube session. It's up to you. Okay. Thank you. That's it for today, guys. Bye. WhatsApp group. The new students, you can join the WhatsApp group. Offline team, you can leave it. I will share all the files. Let's close. Bye, team. Yes. Thank you, man. Make that agents to model to post in. Yeah, you can do that. No problem. Delete कर दे उसको. Google, which one not working? Same thing. Project virtual admin A2A workshop. Mine cannot be because no, because you haven't created environment properly. That's why it's not working. No, you didn't create activate environment. No? You didn't activate environment. No, you didn't activate. First activate it work. All right, guys, that's it for today. And happy weekends. And see you tomorrow. Another with exciting workshops. You can refer your freshers as well if anybody wants for it. Bye, team. Thanks. Okay. Let me check. Akshay, yes. Can I agent two models? Yeah, you can at least one model, Akshay. You can make it one model and you post. All right, no problem. Thank you, guys. Bye.